good, YouTube? This your boy Kersey again, man. I'm coming to you with another video for Guud Lyfe Smoothies. Just a recap from last time. Just came back here. It's the front part of the truck. Looks a little different because the seat's not in there. Just used some tape and went up along the side, but this part I had to repatch it. I had a hole in it. So I had to, repaint it, and this part looked nasty. So I'm gonna come back just sand that off real quick. Did the paint all along here with the sheetrock, all along here. Just gotta rip the paint off. The tape off, and all that stuff won't look flawless as it should. Coming back now that I took the seat out, it's got a whole entire gap right here that's missing, and then also it's too much. From where I'm gonna put the threshold on there just to cap it off, make that joint look nice. So now since the seat is off, I'm gonna just cut another piece with some stuff over here. I'll have that piece in there. Also had this, probably take like another 1.5 inches, or probably 2 inches off, so that joint will look flawless. And everything else in here, as you can see, is painted. Everything's ready to go. All the furniture components are inside the house. They're ready to, they're ready to be installed. So I can, start on the plumbing outlets of where I'm going to start drilling these holes down here for the gray water tank and also freshwater tank. And also, I got to take these caster wheels off of my cold service table, because this cold service table is going to now be inserted inside of this space here, and then I'm just going to come back with that accent tile and accent all along the white. That's why I didn't paint that part, because all that's going to be accent tiled all up there. There's the seat, and it's going to be accent tiled all up here as well. So Jones, is going to have the TV sitting there, presentation, for people that's ordering some stuff, they can see, all your little bouquets and stuff, things that we wouldn't traditionally have on the truck, but they could be prepared for them at a later time. So that's where I'm at right now. And also over the weekend, I'm probably going to try to get that wiring together, all set up there. And also maybe these spotlights are going to get installed as well. So that's probably what I got my work cut out for me. From now until from Saturday morning till Sunday evening. While y'all chill in the house, chilling, enjoying that good life. I'm gonna be out here busting my ass getting this joint together. Until next time, just G Kersey. I'm signing off, and I want y'all to have a good day. All right.